Today I'm craving Chinese food, and for me the best Chinese food is always my mom's food. Long time no see, everybody! Benedict here, it's been a while. Yung huling TikTok ko last year pa pala, guys. I wasn't feeling well today. Ang sakit ng likod ko kasi nagpa-check up ako. Nagpa-ventosa din ako. Ayan siya. This week is gonna be recovery week. I didn't request for any food, pero alam ng mom ko always yung mga favorite food ko. Fantastic. Intergalactic. Adobong sitaw, freshly sauteed cauliflower. My favorite. Braised pork. And my number one favorite soup when I'm feeling under the weather. Hanggang ngayon hindi ko alam anong pangalan nito. Pork broth, corn, carrots, and a little Chinese herbal medicine. Being independent for 3 years made me realize na sometimes our parents actually want to feel needed. Hindi ko naman kailangan magpaluto sa kanya ng food. I feel like she loved it so much because his little baby boy needs him from time to time. Other day, inaaway ako ng kapatid ko. Sabi niya sa mom ko, "Ina mo to, pangit kumain." Kasi every time kumakain ako, ever since bata ako, ganyan yung itsura ko. I think sa genes namin yon sa mother's side. What you gonna do? Ganyan. Best would be like this. See? I saw a video earlier that blew my mind. How come when we do a ha sound, we feel warmer air? When we do a who sound, it's cooler. Magdag pa siya sa isipin ko. Best meal ever. And the meat is super soft. I'm gonna eat the rest tonight. Since I've been intermittent fasting, I feel like I couldn't eat as much as I did before.